Okay, so we are back. Sorry, that was a little bit technical difficulties. So let's try this. Okay, as you see, it looks like throw up because
wait, do it more. Shake it more.
Okay,
shake for a long time.
Let's see.
Shaky, 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 shaky. I don't think it's gonna explode that much.
Nope. Yes, it is.
Oh, it's like a volcano. Squeeze it.
Oh.
Look at that. Look at
now
that.
I'm gonna hold it up like that. Let's see it. It explodes.
Don't make a mess. I hate messes.
It looks like diarrhea.
Ew, Ethan.
Okay, no more.
If I were to like put the one on.
Let's try to make it a little higher.
No,
let's try to make it like a little higher. Okay, so let's switch the camera into a time lapse. So let's go. Hey guys, so as you see, we are back. We actually made this go a little bit higher. Didn't go too much, but yeah, now it just looks like, you know what? Let's pour the whole bottle. Let's just be crazy and pour the whole bottle. Okay, sorry, that fell out. Okay, now pour. Oh my God, that looked like literally throw up. Oh, JD, we're done. Oh my God. That looks like, that's seriously crazy. That's disgusting. Okay, now I should probably close this. Wait, no, let's wait for JD. Let's go, JD. JD, come on. Come on. I filled it to the top. Let's go. I want to show you. Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, we're still recording. Okay, so as you see, it looks like diarrhea.
Wait, why aren't you draining it? Why isn't it draining?
Oh, because I put this up. Now it's going to go down. Oh. So, yeah. Yeah, let's end this video now. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let's go by the diarrhea. I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Good. And block in the camera. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye.